Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. And today we're going to look at another minor chord, the D minor chord. We shall also be looking at another rhythm pattern and a minor blues progression. Okay, so the D minor chord. And if you look at the diagram, you'll see the first finger is on the first fret of the E string, the first string. The second finger is on the second fret of the G string or the third string. And the fourth finger is on the third fret of the B string or the second string. And you should have a sound something like this. So that's the D minor shape. Now we're going to use it in progression, and as I mentioned before, we're going to use it in a minor blues. We've looked at blues, 12-bar blues in the key of G, A and D, and now we're going to look at it in A minor. Okay, and the three chords that we're going to use for this are A minor, D minor and E. But first we're going to have a look at a different strumming pattern. This is going to be a little bit slower than we've done it before, but the rhythm is going to be a lot different. Have a listen to this. So that was the 12 bar in A minor, with A minor, D minor and E. As for the strumming pattern, it goes something like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. So we have another look at it again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so that's what I'm going to leave you with. A new chord, D minor, a new minor blues progression, and a new rhythm pattern. Okay, so have a go at that, keep practicing, keep strumming, and I'll see you for the next class. Thanks very much, bye-bye.